price exhaustion, we had a 369, there's the 12, here's that upper end of that teeny line where we start taking a very light entry. We start scaling maybe 100 shares short, 50 shares short, until we start breaking half bars and these last diamonds. You can see that diamond break out to resistance. You can see the first pullback. You can see the double, so you always have to be up above the marketplace, okay? And this one is on BIDU, right here. You have a negative 7.7, so you're still down a lot of deltas. Right now you're down 12 and a half teenies at the print. That's minus 3.89 ratio. And this is at the resistance level. Learn how to take the entry at the upper end of the price exhaustion level so that you get that wholesale entry as it goes through the stages of the topping pattern at the actual teeny resistance line. And each teeny is 31 cents. And it broke out 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 30 cents, well, that's $1.20. Add on the 1 penny, $1.24 breakout to that side, and now you have a teeny reversal of 31 cents. So your debit spread from up here, entering it up at the diamond, and looking at that diamond low below this diamond. And this is all happening live right now, my friends. And this is how reversals work. At the 3 minute, now the 6 minute to the 10 minute, that's what a topping teeny reversal and confirmation of reversal will always have to do. And that the body remains below that body, just invert of how the bodies on the uptrend were doing just the opposite, closing above that. You know, this one closed above it, that low, bam, see? So basically the reversal is the same way, and this is done live. And it's got support, and here's your half bar, as I said. And that half bar is in the MMT platform, and what is that? Well, it just so happens to be, David, I'm going to give you that half bar. It's 137.49, David. That's that half bar. That's going to be the first area of support from that reversal high. And a 6 minute reversal here live at the 10-minute period. And we're weak at the teeny line, but there's that diamond low. There's the beginning of a turn back to a teeny live on top of the 10-minute. One of the things that we're going to conclude was the short-term trade with MMT market makers going long at support levels after selling down a 2 teeny line reversal to the 10-minute. And what they will do now is they'll stay long to see if they can close above this half bar right here. And that's going to be 137.69 pennies. And BIDU is right here, 69 by 75. How do you like that? So when you look at the rate of change, you got to look at the down previous half bar, and that's 69 pennies, and you're 70 by 75 right here on the bid and ask. And you can see it live. And this is what it's like being an MMT, because you got the 2 teeny short, and now you can get another 2 teenies to the upside. Well, that's still $1.24 round trip, plus the $1.24 over here. So there's lots of these movements made, like I said, and you go long right up to that teeny line, and this is all done live. And we got long off of the bottom, and the 10 minutes rising. And the half bar resistance is going to be up here, this one. And that's going to be 137.96. So it's got to go above 96 pennies here. Yeah, that's this half bar right here. That's the resistance. And it's below it. It's 137.81. And that one is 96 cents. And so I can take another short just based on the fact that that teeny line, that is my resistance. So as long as I'm not closing above 137.96, I can put a limit order out up here at the half bar and let it go up and test it, and then let it roll over. So once again, I can get my wholesale entry by putting this limit order up there at that 96 penny level. And if it hits it and slightly goes above it and always comes back down, it's okay. I'll be able to get out. But right now, it's still struggling here, but I'm going to put a limit order out up here at the half bar, and that's 137.96. That's in the MMT market maker application, 137.96 half bar. Bam, limit order out there, or if it breaks, I can take a short. But remember, we were shorting it up here, and it can always be short again when it breaks key reversal levels as it is right now. And when it does hit the lower support levels, we'll do another live entry at support to go long. Right now, it remains a short trade, MMT. Stop.